In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite. If you want to learn how to make YouTube content effortlessly, click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Step 1. Type in Fortnite in your search engine. Step number 2 is to click on their main website or click on Fortnite download. Once loaded, the next step is to click Get on Epic Games or Download Now. Or you can scan it with your phone with the QR code. And once Fortnite or Epic Installer has been downloaded, you want to click and open the file. And now it's going to prepare to install on your PC. Click Install. Click Yes. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Wow, it's just taking a long time, bruh. Click OK, and then you should see a window pop up, which it's going to verify the update. And now as you can see, it's downloading Fortnite. And now you want to sign in. That one's taken for permission. Then click Continue. And now you can choose where you want Fortnite or Epic Games to install to your computer. And click Install. If you click on the bottom left-hand screen, Downloads, you can see that you're currently installing Fortnite. Again, if you're interested in saving hundreds of hours and money per year and make YouTube videos effortlessly, then click the links down below. Thanks for watching this video. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.